You are welcome to today's tutorial. Our topic for today is understanding medical terminologies. At the end of today's lesson, we are going to learn what medical terminologies are, examples of medical terminologies, and why medical terminologies are important. It is very important that you have a strong knowledge of medical terminologies in your nursing field of work. And the purpose of medical terminologies is to create a standardized language for medical professionals in order to make communication more effective and documentation easier as well. Understanding medical terminologies means to break down words into their separate components of prefix, suffix, and root word, and having knowledge of those parts. Examples of medical terminologies used here. We have extra, meaning outside. That is outside the circle. And endo or intra means within the circle. We also have inter, meaning between. Example is intercellular. Inter, between cellular cells. We also have peri. Peri means around. Example is pericardium. Peri, around. Cardium, heart, around the heart. And we also have trans, across. Trans, across. Example, transition, moving from one place to another. Let's learn what prefixes are. Prefix refers to a group of words placed before the root of a word. By learning to recognize a few of the more commonly used medical prefixes, you can figure out the meanings of terms that may not be immediately familiar to you. We are going to talk about examples or commonly used prefixes. We have a, that is without. Examples of prefixes used with a is apnea, achlorhydria, atony, and we also have an. An means without. Anaerobic, anaerobic, anemia, anesthesia. The next prefix is anti, against, or meaning opposed. Examples are antibiotic, antiperistaltis, and also anti-inflammatory. The next commonly used prefix is anti, that is before. Example is antenatal. So we have examples of prefixes with their meanings here. Col means colon with their full meanings. Hyper means above or excess. Example is hypertension. The next one is hypo or sub, meaning below or deficiency. Example, hypotension. Coli means bow. New means new. Example, neonatal. Cervical or tracheal means the neck. Synthesis means puncture. Cerebral means the brain. Circle means around or encircle. Crone means time. We move on to the next, that is suffixes. If we say suffixes, what are they? They refer to a group of letters added to the ending of words to change their meaning. And in medical terminology, a suffix usually indicates a procedure, condition, disease, or part of speech. And a commonly used suffix is it, that is, which means inflammation, and ology, which means steady. Example, when the suffix is paired with the prefix col, meaning colon, the resulting word is colitis, which literally means inflammation of the colon. Sometimes it is necessary to change the last letter or letters of the root word or prefix when a suffix is added to make pronunciation easier. We also have suffixes that are commonly used in the medical field. The first one is logi, meaning study of, and logist, meaning a person who studies or a person who specializes in a particular field of work. We have oma, meaning sumo, megaly, meaning enlargement of, otomy, it's actually a surgical incision or the surgical removal. Pathy, meaning disease of. Plasty, it's actually a surgical repair. Oid, meaning resembling. Ectomy, meaning removal of. We are examples of terms using the study. So examples of logist terms, we have dermatology, meaning study of the skin. As we said earlier, logy means study. So dermatology, study of the skin. Cardiology, study of the heart. Endocrinology, study of the endocrine glands. Gastroenterology, study of the stomach and intestine. Gynecology, study of women and their diseases. Hematology, study of the blood. And neurology, study of the nerves, brain and spinal cord. We have different terms that are used when trying to use the suffix logy. Cardiology, study of the heart. Hematology, study of the blood. Psychology, study of the mind and mental disorders. Oncology, study of tumor. Neurology, study of the nerves, the brain, spinal cord. Rheumatology, study of joint diseases. We move on to the next lesson, that is root words. It basically means the foundation. Some root words may also be used as prefixes or suffixes. Example of root words, we have cardi, means heart. Peri means around. So examples are pericardial, that is around the heart. Acro, that is the extremity. We have sino, meaning blue. Example is cyanosis, bluish coloration of the skin. Or we have acrocyanosis, that is a blue coloration of the extremities, being the fingers, toes, nose, and ears, which is due to poor circulation. Examples of root words and their meaning. We have gastro, meaning the stomach, arthro, meaning joints, dermato, meaning the skin, hepat, meaning the liver, osteo, meaning the bone, cyno, meaning the color blue, erythro, meaning red, leuco, meaning white. So check out the summary of understanding medical terminologies in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the blue notification to get any videos I upload. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much.